Private home prices in Singapore bounced to a 5-year high in the second quarter of the year after slipping in the previous 2 quarters. Cheryl Goh has details on flash estimates out today for private and public homes.
Private property prices are at the highest since the first quarter of 2014. Flash estimates from the Urban Redevelopment Authority showed that the private residential property index increased 1.3% across all regions. The biggest increase of 3% came from what the market terms rest of central region. This refers to districts outside the upmarket and downtown areas and Sentosa. Industry experts CNA spoke to said even though private properties are going at higher prices, buyers are still snapping them up, especially new condominium units. They include launches at Treasure at Tampines, Park Astar in Eunos and Sky Everton.
In core central region, we have seen more transactions that have crossed 3,000 per square foot and above. And even for the rest of central region, we have also seen many projects that's been launched above 2,000 per square foot.
It is really a result of that the market is resilient and the buyers are confident to come back and pick up some of the units. And I must attribute the price increase mainly today because many of the new launches are priced at a new benchmark prices because the developers have paid a higher land prices, and that translates to a new price point as far as even the price index is concerned.
And with more new launches in the pipeline, analysts say buyers can expect to fork out more.
We are seeing an unprecedented number of freehold properties that are going to be launched this year. And this is also a golden opportunity to buy a property that is near MRT station. We are looking at integrated and mixed developments that are coming up, which are very rare in the market.
Meanwhile, HDB resale prices dipped 0.2%, the 4th straight quarter of decline. Analysts say concerns among both owners and buyers about the value of aging flats, as well as competition from the steady supply of new BTO flats, which are relatively cheaper, are among the factors driving down the prices of resale flats. But for the whole of this year, they don't expect the HDB resale price index to decline too significantly.